Hellcat.
Good morning. I thought I might do a video today of my daily routine, and as you can see, I started from straight out of bed. So we get out of bed with all the little babies. How Johnny, good boy, and River, and Goldie, and now we go to the birds. Okay, first things first, I go to let them out. Hi, Rooney. You want to come out, buddy? You want to come out? Good boy. Oh, you're okay. It's okay. Good boy. All right, and then I take Rudy to his bird stand. Good boy, Rudy. There you go. Good boy. Then I let out the little munchkins. Good morning, Kai Kai. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, you're so cute, little baby. Thank you. He's a good boy. Mwah. Go on. Step up. I know, you little brat. You're a brat. Yes, you're a brat. You good bird. Oh, you're my good boy. Next is Cricket, who's more than ready to come out. Hi, Cricket. Come on, Cricket. Good girl, Cricket. Good Cricket. Last but not least is Charlie. Hi, Char. He is my foster bird, which I haven't said anything about him yet. Come on, buddy. Step up. Step up. Good boy. This is Charlie. All right, I know. Go on. Kaka, what are you doing? What's he doing on your cage, Char? What's he doing? Go on. I know you want to go in there. There you go. This is where he hangs out, and Cricket's just flying around. You good, Cricket? You get, ooh, pretty wings. And now it's shower time, so I need to get the bird stand here for Rudy, and Kai sits right up there. And Cricket, I can't get into the bathroom. Charlie, I'm going to try this time to get him into the bathroom. We'll see what happens. You want to take a shower? Yeah, come here. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. You ready to take a shower? Rudy, you want to take a shower? Step up. Rude, you want to take a shower or no? Come on, let's take a shower. Okay, someone's being difficult. Step up. Good boy. All right. Now we're ready. Let's go, buddies. Hi, Cricky. All right, so Rudy goes here. Good boy. Step up. Come on. You want to take a shower or no? Step up. Kai Kai, step up. Come on. You little booger. Good boy. And then Mr. Kai Kai goes up here. Very good. Okay. I did manage to get Charlie in here with me. I think he's a little nervous though. Oh, buddy. He's taken a shower in here before, but I haven't tried with the other birds. So this will be our first time doing it with the other birds. Hi, Kai Kai. All right. Well, I'm gonna try to find a spot for him to sit where he can relax. I'm not gonna force him to shower, but if he wants to, then that's what we'll do. So I was not planning on filming while I was in the shower, but look at this guy. He is loving the shower today. He's never done this before. You can see where he's flexed. This is a good to you of where he's flying. But oh my gosh. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy, Char. So good. I'm so happy about this right now. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good naked chicken. All the wet boys. Look at those boys. Soaked in. Do I hear beak grinding? Oh, somebody's happy. Char Char. Char Char. Good boy, Char. I'm happy. Yeah, Rudy. No taking your baffies. You can see where he's plucked. Huh. Say, I don't pluck no more. It's just not grow back no more. Huh, buddy? And Mr. Kai. He's super handsome Quaker. Good boys. Good boys. I'm gonna look back at these clips and be like, what was I thinking? Taking a video straight out of bed, right out the shower. But I wanted to show my daily life, so this is my daily life. Hi, Char. I know, you guys are ready. Let's see if I can get Charlie. Come on, buddy. Come on, step up. Step up. Oh, great. Why'd you do that? Good boy. All right, step up. Come on. Come on. Ready? Step up. Come on. You want to come or no? He never wants to come after the shower. Huh, buddy? Come on. Step up. Good boy. Very good boys. All the boys. I wish I could get Cricket in here, but nope. She doesn't go for it. But you can hear her. She gets mad when I go without her, but she never wants to come. Hi, guys. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there her is. There her is. Hanging out with the alcohol. Don't worry, they're empty. Bye, Char. You want a kiss? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, buddy. You ready to go back to your bird stand now? You want? Thank you. So sweet. All right. Here you go. Okay, now let me go make myself presentable. Somewhat presentable. I forgot to actually get chop out last night on thaw, so I'm going to put some in this bowl here, which is what I normally keep the chop in to refrigerate in overnight. So what I do if I forget is I put it in this bowl, put it in this hot water so it can kind of defrost, and then I'll give it to the birds. So the dogs want to go outside, but I live in Ohio. Look at this mess. Look at this freaking mess. You guys want to go out there? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I'll probably let them out in the front yard. Come on, let's go out this way. Oh, I'm going through wedding stuff. That's what all of this stuff is, so sorry. You want to go out? You guys can potty in the front yard. Go back. All right, come on. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Goldie, come. Go on, go potty. I hate the winter. Come on. They're not even using the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. What are you doing? You're just getting wet. Come on, go potty. All right, come on, let's go back inside, you little heathens. Come on, let's go. Come. Johnny. Oh, Lord. My floors. They just want to twirl. Okay. Nobody loves me today. Except for Rudy. Rudy, give Mommy all the kisses today. Didn't Rudy give Mommy all the kisses? Kiss. Mwah. Thank you, baby. Such a good boy. You go away. You don't want me. You don't want me. Come here. You guys are really getting to see everybody today in my daily routine. Johnny, get off me. You're muddy. Come here. This is Klaus. Hi, fun man. Hi, good kitty. Yes, good kitty. Yes, good kitty. Good kitty. Okay, let's check on the chalk. Okay, can't do this with one hand. Yep. Still frozen. Are you guys thirsty? Do you want some water? You want some water? You guys want some water? Get the bowl. Come on, Riff, get the bowl. Get it. Come on. Go get that bowl. Get it, Riff, get the bowl. Good girl. I'll get you some, get your paw out. I'll get you some water. Spoiled rotted. Spoiled rotted. I know, baby. Spoiled rotted. Get in some water. Even though this thing's so big, they go through it in half an hour. Okay, that's over exaggerating. In like 2 hours, but still, there's 3 dogs and 3 cats. What should I expect? Okay. Let's get you guys your water. Oh, sorry, Goldie. There you go. Come on. Everybody come. Even you, kitten. Hi, fun man. Hi, Cricket. What you doing, Cricky? Keeping everybody in line. So, in my experience, I'm not saying this is true for everybody, but in my experience, female birds are so much harder than male birds. She is just a little cockatiel, but she is the most stubborn bird in my house. Between Rudy and Charlie and Kai, she was my first bird. I've had her almost 5 years, and she still won't really step up. I can get her to go in her cage when I ask her to, and I can give her head scratches as she allows, but she doesn't, I can't teach her, and she does her own thing. Want his scratchies? Do you want his scratchies? Okay, fine. Princess Cricket, everybody. Okay, so the chop is pretty done. Pretty unthawed. I can crumble it in my hands, at least. So it's in small pieces for them to eat. They actually kind of like it when it's a little frosty, I feel like, versus completely unthawed. There we go. At least Rudy especially does, but Rudy's the biggest fan of chop out of all of them. Kai and Cricket can be pretty difficult to get to eat theirs, but they ran out of pellets last night and I didn't give them any more pellets before bed, so they're pretty hungry, so I know they're going to eat it. So give some to Rudy here. Make sure it's all squished up because he will take the big pieces and just drop them. Because birds are assholes, but we still love them. Here's Charlie's bowl. Give him a good amount because he also likes his chop. And this is a bowl Kai and Cricket share while they're out of their cage. I just sit it on top and they add it. But Rudy will eat all of this that I give him. Yeah. A little bit more to Char. Fun and yucky. You ready for your choppy? Okay, so let's give Rudy his chop. Oh, him's excited. What's that, buddy? What is that? I know you're so excited. Let me push it down a little. There you go. Nice. This is the same chop I made in my Valentine's Day chop video. And he didn't eat it in that video, but he absolutely loves it. Yeah. Do you like that it's cold? Good boy. Good bird. All right. So now the chop. Look at this mess. The chop for Cricket and Kai and Charlie. Hey, Char. Oops, sorry, buddy. Here, would you like this choppy? There you go. Look, choppy. Here, Kai Kai. Come on. Here, I'll help you. Good boy. Here you go. Yummy. Charlie gonna eat it? Huh, buddy? You gonna eat it, Char? Oh, sweet boy. Good boy. If you want to know more about Charlie, leave a comment and I'll make a video about him and his story and what's going on with him. All right, buddy. Cricky, you're gonna come up here and eat some of this? Want to show them you can step up? Oh, what a good girl. That never happens. Okay. Thanks for checking up on Joe and all those animals. If you have any questions or comments about anything that you saw in my video, leave a comment below. If you saw an animal today that you want to know more about, leave a comment about them. And I would like to add some videos of the stories of them. And gosh, I wish I looked better in this video, but I'm doing my daily routine and this is what I look like on my daily routine. Oh God, it's awful, so awful. But that's okay, you're not here for me, you're here for them. Right, Rudy? In my awful backyard. That's why you're here, to see all of the reality, right? Right. So again, if you have anything to say, you want to know more about somebody, just leave a comment. Thank you for checking up on us. You guys have a great day. One more thing before you go. I bet you're wondering what was in that tank and what was in those tubs. I have some reptiles in the house and I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I'm not going to say what they are. I'll have to make that in a different video. Okay, you guys have a good one. Hellcat.